Alright, so today we got an interesting one. Look at that nice new black Ford F-150 Special Edition, huh? Nice. I own it. Anyways, today we are gonna head out to a kind of a creepy call. I gotta meet up with one of the other guys for the company, and we gotta go to a funeral home and put an evaporator coil in. I don't know if I'll be able to get much video on it. I don't know if my partner will care if I'm filming or not. I'm gonna try not to tell him and not to get him on video, because you know, you don't want to put somebody on video and put their face out all over the world if they don't want you to. So hopefully I can get some of this on tape without anybody in it, or on video without pissing anybody off. And obviously I'm not gonna put the name of the funeral home either out there. But yeah, going to do an evaporator coil in a funeral home. Should be a creepy situation. One of the guys was telling me that they had to lie down in the box to access the coil. So usually my because I've only been doing this for like 2 months, so they're still kind of training me on all this stuff. So I'm probably gonna have to do this stuff. And if I do, I'm definitely turning my iVue camera glasses on while I do it, and it should be an interesting, creepy situation. So I'll see you guys in a few when I get on the table or in the box. So this is it, huh? How many fit in there? 2? Probably, right? Maybe 3? Nah, I say 2. You close the door on me, I'm gonna kick your ass. So what are we gonna do? Pull the wire through or just cut it?
No, we'll cut it.
Don't. So just pull it through? Get off me. Smells like feet. What else?
That's it.
That's all you're gonna have me do? Come on. So this is the this is the second stop you make before you go into the ground, huh? You wire nutting? You putting wire nuts? Okay. So we got the new evaporator coil here. Got a TXV. Our fittings right there. Our fittings. The TXV. I'm gonna put that all together, and then we're gonna put it back in the box, hook it up back there, and fill her back up with gas, and she should be good to go. But this is kind of creepy.
bank. Pull away, pull away. Don't want it totally hot like that. Yeah, give it more. Bring it up a little bit.
Can just barely see like the lip of the pipe, but it did cover it. Where's your flashlight?
Yeah, where is yours?
It's in my bag.
Good place for it.
Yeah, you told me I didn't need my tools.
That should be on your hip.
I told you I can't find my... Yeah, I fucking covered it now.
Okay.
Awesome. Attach my low side. Attach my high side. Open the valves. You're all set? Mira? I thought you were saying Vera. I thought it was like your first wife or something. Look at that, huh? Fancy, fancy. So, TXV valve leaking. Gotta replace the flare nut. And that's what. So, flare nut was leaking. We were pulling a vacuum and it was just going right back up. So we knew there was a leak somewhere. We charged with nitrogen, found the leak with soap bubbles, and he's swapping this out now. Good. Okay, hold it. Seal that up. There we go, new evaporator. Okay. Yeah, it's all in nice.